Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the arithmetic logic unit or ALU. So let's start this video. A computer stores information in its registers and RAM and manipulates information through a variety of means. The component that is responsible for our bulk operations, these operations are done by arithmetic logic unit or ALU. As its name implies, the ALU performs both arithmetic and logic operations. In this presentation, we will focus on describing the general functionality of simple ALU. ALU varies between architectures, so this presentation is intended only to deduce the basic concepts of an ALU. So let us start the concept of ALU. A computer's register each stores the same number of bits. When we want to make it what is stored in these registers, the register file will be instructed to send the contents of two registers to the ALU. In this example, the registers are 8 bits in length. The ALU will perform a calculation on these two values and send the result back to the register file to be stored. We tell you the ALU what instruction to perform by sending in a set of control bits that encode a message or what kind of operation has to perform. Because the ALU is combinational circuit, it will perform these calculations immediately. Simplifying the bus diagram, we will use a bus notation where we group sets of wires together with number of wires and a group. Rather than draw 3 sets of 8 wires, we will simply draw 3 buses like this. An ALU can perform whatever arithmetic operation that we know how to implement, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, decrement and increment operations. Bitwise logical operations such as NOT, AND, OR and other comprise a list of non-arithmetic operations such as value comparison and setting a register's contents to 0. The details of these operations have been already covered in our logic gates video. You can see that video in pop-up I button above. Suppose that we have an ALU that receives 2 control bits. Because there are 2 control bits, we can encode 4 operations for the ALU to perform. I have chosen 2 arithmetic operations and 2 logic operations for an example. The ALU receives inputs from 2 8 bits registers and sends out 8 bits of information back to the register file. Based on the data from the control bits, the ALU knows which operations have to perform. In this situation, the ALU knows which operations have to perform. In this situation, the ALU calculates the sum and sends it to the register file. If we change the control bits, we will change the operation is performed because this operation does not need an input from B. If we change the control bits, we will change which operation is performed because this operation does not need an input from B register. The B register input will be ignored. The ALU will send an incremented value of A register back to same register file. To briefly introduce the logic operations, we will examine one of the simple operations such as the NOT operation. The NOT operation receives only one set of inputs, that is A register value. So again the ALU will ignore the inputs from B. The NOT operation changes all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. The NOT operation is applied to each bit in the register individually, otherwise called a bitwise operation. Finally, if we change the control bits, again the ALU will perform a clear operation, which means that we will set the contents of a register to 0. For this operation, the ALU ignores both inputs and simply sends out the value 0. Notice that the ALU is sending out 8 zeros because all numbers, even zeros, are encoded with the same number of bits in a computer. In this video, you saw that an ALU seized information from the register file and then perform operations on this information. The control bits encode information about what operation the ALU used to perform. These operations will either be arithmetic operations or bitwise logical operations. So here we are going to stop this video. If you liked this video, then please like it, comment in the comment box, share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of this kind of videos. Thank you.